Release film replacement. Things to prepare: electric screwdriver or a regular one. New release film, old release film. Take out the new release film. Check both sides. Put aside. Now let's remove screws. Start from the longest. Then the rest of them. Gently push the interlayer out. And keep removing. You can throw away the old release film, or keep it as a collection. Peel of the blue protective film. Warning: the blue film is protective film. Do not use the blue film for printing. Throw away after peeling. Please pay attention to both sides of the release film. The smooth side be facing the resin tank. The matte side be facing the screen light. Please leave a certain length for the release film around the interlayer. Please make sure the smooth side of the film is facing the same direction of the top of screws. Install the diagonal screws first. Now let's install the rest of screws. Put the interlayer back in the resin tank and clean the dust on the film. Install the longest screws first, which is also installing diagonally. Push screws until they popped, so that it can be installed. Same for the rest of the screws. Ta-da! Cut the extra film on the edge. Throw away the extra film. The surface of the film should be tight after installing, and can make a drum-like sound when you knock on it. Now it's your turn.